Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap and it has remained in narrow trading range for most part of the trading session. Nifty closed around 8801 with gain of 60 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a small bullish candle carrying either side shadows representing short-term pause in its recent uptrend. Nifty has formed a bullish gap area in the range of 8770 to 8748 levels. Hence, these levels will act as a crucial support zone in near future. Index continue to move in higher top, higher bottom formation on the daily as well as on weekly chart, indicating sustained uptrend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8820 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum in the range of 8860 to 8880 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 8770 levels. Any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 8750 to 8720 levels. Nifty is well placed above its 20, 50 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any short term correction towards support zone will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are quoting above their reference line, indicating strength ahead. Some positive bias stock for the day are Bharat Forge, IGL, Havells, SRF, Tata Power, UBL, Voltas, Adani Ports, HUL and GAIL. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are ONGC and Kolpal. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened with a downward gap and it has traded within narrow trading range for most part of the trading session. It has closed around 67.35, losing 0.16%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a bearish candle carrying long lower shadow, indicating support at lower levels. It has formed a lower high-low formation compared to previous session and has also closed below previous session's low, indicating negative bias. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, USD continue to form lower top, lower bottom formation, indicating sustained downtrend. Currently, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, we expect USD to trade with negative bias and below 67.30 levels, it may witness selling pressure towards 67.20 to 67.10 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.40 levels. However, any violation of this resistance zone will cause some pullback rally towards 67.50 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.